beautiful flowers of this tree. We call it here in our village. My husband said, this is kicker. This kind of trees with thorns and very nice flowers also, and with leaves. Yan, may isang puno dito sa likod ng bahay namin. The owner of this one is this house. And also they have also one tree here. We have also trees of this tree. Yung yung dahon niya, the leaves is like as you compare, it's like ipil-ipil. And the flowers is very nice smell. I think this is like sampagita because smell is very good. And also they have also there, that is also kicker, and also some there, and also over there, and also over there. And we have our also tree. So ayun yung sa amin. We'll go down so that we can focus the tree and also the leaves and flowers. We'll go down. Ayan, ito yung kanyang puno. With thorn siya, may mga tinik-tinik. Ayan, oh. Ayan, with tinik. May tinik, oh. And this is good also for fire. Ayan. Ito yung leaves, ito yung flowers niya. Ayan, oh, 'di ba ang ganda? Ayan, matinik nga lang. Ayan, ito yung leaves niya, oh. I don't know what kind of leaves this one, if you compare like ipil-ipil or what. Ito yung leaves niya. Ang bango niya, mabango ang ang flowers niya. Ayan, oh. And these flowers and leaves, animals like goats, buffaloes, cows, they like this kind of flowers. They're all eating this one, especially our goats, our baby goats. They like these flowers with leaves. Yan, meron din dito, oh. Yan. Ganda ng flowers niya, di ba? Oh. But I don't know this what they call this one in English. But they call it here in our village kicker. Yan. And I will try to search in Google what is the name of this, what is this one in English. And there is also here, but it's very small. Ayan. And then we will go down. So there is so many trees over there down in our where we plant this corn, and also our neighbor, our sister-in-law house, they have also this kind of trees, kicker. So we'll go down over there. Yan. Yun doon, oh. Yan, ito lapitan natin. Yan yung oh. Yan. Oh. Yan. And then meron din doon, oh. Yan. Oh. Yun yung isa doon. Yun doon natabunan. Yun doon. So bababa tayo, punta tayo doon sa aming kung saan kami nagtanim ng mais, at yung may mga kambing kami doon, yung bahay ng kambing. So baba tayo doon. Walang tao dito, sarado yung pintuan nila. Oh. So I am here already down. This one, kicker. And our corn here. And our goats is all here. Weather is not okay. Last night it's raining. And today it's maybe rain is coming again because as you can see the sky. Ayan, madilim. Today is April 19 and today is Saturday. Time check is 12 noon. Ayan, ito yung mga kicker. Ayan, ito yung dito sa namin dito sa may maisan. Ayan. And also there is small there. And over there, oh, that is my sister-in-law. Trees of kicker. Ito yung bahay ng aking sister-in-law. Ayan. Yan, marami doon, oh. Nakikita nyo yung mga white dyan na flowers. So that is kicker. Over there they have also, every houses they have their own trees of kicker, many kind of trees. Ayan doon, yung bahay namin sa taas. So I have chance to come down because Fatma is there. Ayan, yung mga bawang namin. Oh. Ito na yung mga coriander leaves, may mga may mga flowers na, and then yung radish flowers. Oh. Yan. So no need to go there down because it's far, and this ito yung lupa maputik, so no need to go from there. So I will only focus it. Ayan. Ayan, rain is coming, kumukulog na. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Aisha Tariq, Filipina wife in Kashmir, Pakistan. Today is April 19 and today is Saturday. Time check, Pakistan time is 12 noon. Dito ako sa baba because I make some videos of trees of kicker. Ayan, as you can see that background, that is kicker. Over there is also kicker of trees. As you can see the flowers. Rain is already start, so I have to go up now. Our one goat is here also. Dito na ako sa taas kasi start ng umulan. Yan, may ulan na. Patak na ng ulan. Oh. Oh. Dito na ako sa taas. Oh. Yan. Now I will show you the flowers of this kicker. Ayan. Ang bango siya, ang bango. Ang bango. Tapos tinikman ko yung yung flowers, matamis-tamis kasi kinakain ito ng kambing, lalo na yung baby goats namin. Gustong-gusto nila itong flowers ng kicker. At saka yung mga bees namin, ito yung favorite nilang flowers. Yung mga bees namin. So ito naman yung dahon niya, ayan, yung dahon niya, ayan, finocus ko na masyado, pati yung flowers niya, Ang bango.